Hi guys, our Cosham Level Cross in Portsmouth. Okay, it's recording again now. So guys, there was a wasp in and they thought it landed on me, but it didn't. Oh! I thought that sounded like a steam train then. Can I just stand up here and see if I can see it coming? Is it coming down this track? And I wonder what this is for. Not in there. Not in there, sort of thing. But Earth has only just come down. Can you check it? Is it still recording? Okay, that's good.
There it is.
What's in GWR livery?
You don't see one of them along this line very often.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
that's anyway.
we're going up or are we going to stay?
When you see the little red lights flicker, that means they're going to go up. So
Right, we're staying.
Oh, staying down.
Yeah, right, we're staying.
means there's one coming the other way.
Right, yeah.
It's like the one I saw the other day.
The GWR. Yeah. Don't see them every day.
No, not even off our way, do we? Not that much.
And there's not.
I've only ever seen 2 of them in 35 years that I've lived here.
Huh.
You've been
The
on
other
one,
ones,
haven't
it's
you?
always southern or
Yeah.
Southwest.
Yeah.
Yeah, haven't they?
I've been on one of them new ones.
You have the high speed one.
Yeah, high speed ones. Yeah, not the mini one. Is there another one coming? Is it in the station? Not here yet. Is it? In the
Get a double pass.
yeah. Sometimes stay down for a long time. There seems to be no reason.
Oh, it's in station now. What if that was another GWR? I'd be like, whoa.
There's another one.
Not many. They've
It's
got all
another.
been refurbed, haven't they?
Yeah.
Just an ordinary one there.
It's an ordinary one.
First Great Western.
Yeah.
Southern or
Southwest.
southwest.
Right.
Yeah.
That was lucky anyway, wasn't it?
Yeah. Cool. Come on. Staying there for a long time. All right, it's coming. Here we go.
Old diesel one.
Yeah. It's in the blue and pink livery. 158959. 959 to Cardiff Central, and they're going to go up they go.
There we go.
Thank you guys, see you in part 3.